On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2016 Charleston Landmark 365. This 41-foot, luxurious fifth-wheel trailer has it all. Starting on the outside, there's a large TV and kitchen area perfect for those days when you want to do a little outdoor entertaining. The bold graphics package creates a sleek and fun atmosphere, making it a standout from the crowd. With 5 slide-outs, you'll marvel at the roomy interior space. The kitchen offers all the amenities you need to provide your guests and family with meals and snacks while traveling away from home. The dining table easily folds out to accommodate up to 4. You will also find ample countertop space, including a recessed sink in the center island, plus a 2-burner flat top range with a microwave oven above. There is also plenty of overhead cabinetry. A large residential side-by-side refrigerator will hold enough for any extended stay, and the floor-to-ceiling pantry cabinets offer ample amounts of storage space. There is also a dishwasher below the sink in the center island. The entertainment center provides a large built-in fireplace with room for a flat-screen TV above, and there are extra overhead storage cabinets above the convertible sofa and 2-person theater recliners across the room. Moving to the front of the unit, and at the top of the stairs, we enter the front bedroom. This spacious sleeping area features a king-size bed including storage drawers below and nightstands on both sides. A beautiful ceiling design, with inset lighting, complements the decor. There's a stacked washer and dryer in the closet next to the mirrored wardrobe. The lighted wardrobe has a built-in cabinet and drawers with a convenient shoe rack along the back wall. At the foot of the bed is a dresser with a TV mounting area above. As we move into the bathroom, you'll notice there's a large countertop cabinet with sink, and a well-lit mirrored vanity above, a residential-size shower with sliding textured glass doors. If you're looking to get away with luxury and style, this Charleston Landmark will be the perfect camper for you and your family. Come see this, and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.